Hi everyone, my name's Paul Donnelly and I'm a lecturer from Hartlepool College of Further Education. We're excited to introduce the brand new National BTEC Qualification that we're offering starting this September, eSports. Over the past decade, gaming has proven itself to be more than just a downtime hobby. Live tournaments and competitions have seen teams and individuals achieve incredible opportunities and attract an audience that matches that of the athletic sports that we're so familiar with, things like football and rugby. Every day, more people are finding success as a self-employed social media influencer or entertainer, running a business from their very own homes through platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, Twitch, and Twitter. Esports is a media that offers potential for a network of career opportunities, like video production and photography, game design, live streaming, and of course, being a professional gamer or coach. But that's not all. This qualification is a route to professions even that are beyond its own sector. Things like data analyzing, commerce, events management, law, game development, and the entertainment industry as a whole. This curriculum covers amazing subjects from health, physiology, and psychology, through to the legal, entertainment, and production elements. Communication, self-management, adaptability, and critical thinking are just some of the diverse sets of skills this BTEC will prepare you for if you want to find your career in this rapidly growing industry that is esports media. We at Hartlepool College of Further Education recognise the potential this subject has for our students, and are thrilled to see what opportunities lie ahead. I hope this short video was enough to pique your interests in this phenomenal opportunity of esports media. But if you wish to learn more, please visit hartlepoolfe.ac.uk or click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we're excited to see you in September.